World War II left Japan in shambles, a nation grappling with the devastation of war. But amidst the ruins emerged a phoenix, Japan's remarkable economic recovery. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the intricacies of this resurgence, exploring the strategies, challenges, and the spirit that propelled Japan to rise from the ashes. After the end of World War II, Japan faced an unparalleled economic crisis. Its cities were destroyed, industries were in ruins, and the population was grappling with severe hardships. The war had drained Japan's economy, leaving it in a state of despair. Japan's recovery began with a meticulous evaluation of the economic landscape. The government swiftly implemented reforms and policies that would steer the nation towards economic rehabilitation. From land reforms to industrial policies, each step was crucial in rejuvenating the nation's economic structure. International support played a pivotal role in Japan's revival. Collaborations and aid from the international community infused the necessary capital and resources, propelling industries and aiding in infrastructure development. This support was instrumental in the nation's journey towards prosperity. Japan's relentless focus on industrialization and technological advancements was a cornerstone of its economic resurgence. The nation swiftly embraced technology and modernized its industrial sector, laying the foundation for future growth. Infrastructure was the backbone of Japan's recovery. Rebuilding cities, revitalizing transportation, and investing in urban development were critical aspects. The meticulous planning and execution of these projects set the stage for Japan's booming economy. Investing in education and nurturing a skilled workforce was a strategic move by Japan. The emphasis on education and skill development ensured that the nation had a competent labor force ready to fuel economic growth. Japan strategically embraced international trade and export-led growth as part of its recovery plan. By focusing on global markets and fostering trade relationships, Japan propelled its economy to new heights. The recovery journey was not without challenges. Japan faced hurdles such as resource scarcity, demographic shifts, and geopolitical complexities. However, the nation's resilience and determination helped in overcoming these obstacles. Today, Japan stands as a beacon of economic growth and resilience. From being a war-ravaged nation, it has transformed into a global economic powerhouse. The journey of recovery after World War II has been nothing short of remarkable.